Yeah, so I have known Anjali for a while now, and I've also lost my mother to Alzheimer's, and it wasn't easy. I think coping with a mental problem is more difficult than a physical one. And I know what the angst, the frustrations, and the difficulties she's gone through, and how important it is for a good caretaker to be around her, the positive energy, the positive environment, which is important to actually create around the patient so that they feel good. And basically they're losing their memory, and then when you see a loved one actually forgetting who you actually are, that's also very difficult to go through and see. So my mother used to always listen to Talad Aziz, being my husband of course, but she loved his music, and she used to constantly listen. That always brought a smile to her face. I think that's what they ultimately remember, right? Music, you don't have to think, you just enjoy it. So then, when I read this article, a very beautiful article in the Times, I spoke to Anjali, and she said, Veena, she told me about her stories and what she has seen and gone through, and this is how we decided to do this music therapy. And also being starting this Music Mania, where I'm director with Anuji, Talad, and Pankaj, all of them together. And of course now Leslie is also part of it. I contacted Leslie, and he's been so supportive and so nice. So he's also said, Veena, anything you want, I'm always there for you. So we've all gotten together to bring some great music for these patients, starting on World Mental Health Day, which is on the 10th. And today is also, I think, Senior Citizens Day, right? International Day, which is so nice. So this is what we want to do, and I just hope we need to just spread the word around so that more people get to know about it, more people can enjoy it. Of course, through Anjali, she's the best person to reach out to all the doctors and hospitals and everybody. But we will also do whatever we can, and I hope everybody does spread the word. The entrance is free on the 10th at the Raja Hall, Rotary Club Center in Juhu. Yeah. So do contact us for any inquiries on www.anjali.com or www.musicmania.net.in for any inquiries. It's all there, so you can just contact us.
I think the aim is the same, that we all want to bring the smile back to the faces. So I guess that's why we're all here.
Let's say I would want you to join them, and I have a question for all of you. In terms of song selection, is there anything specific? As we said, it's age related. So is it like a certain set of songs that we're going to be looking at, or how is the selection of songs, in particularly when we have dementia and Alzheimer's patients with us?
I think, correct me if I'm wrong, Anjali, but there's going to be a lot of older people who want to remember their college days, and so if you do very young songs which are very new, they might look at it as, okay, I've heard this, but it doesn't excite me as much. So it might be a better option to do older songs where I'm sure it's going to bring a smile on their face.
We have retro Bollywood, I think classical. That's what they relate to. They go back in time. So that's what we're planning to have on the 10th with everybody. It's going to be Talad Aziz, Anup Jalota, Leslie Lewis, Amika Sher, and of course Luna Rizvi is also coming in. She said, no, Veena, I want to do this. I want to be a part of it. So everybody is going to just be a part of this, and we have great music happening. Retro Bollywood music.
See, what was your reaction? This is something different you've not done before, and as I say, music, of course, it heals. So tell us your whole experience about it and your thoughts.
I think, for me, music's always been about reaching out to people. So whether it's young, old, I feel happy when they feel happy. So when Veena called me up and told me about her story, about her mom, and then she was planning to do this, and then she told me about Dr. Anjali. So I said, you're on the right track. Anything I can do, musically, I'm here. And I don't know what I'm really going to do, but I'm going to do whatever I can. And yeah, because there's no fixed plan. As it evolves, as it goes into the next round and the third round, whatever we can do, I'll always be there. And I'm just happy to be able to bring a smile onto somebody's face. I think that's important to me, and I think that's going to help us all achieve the same goal.
The song which comes to your mind, as I say, music heals, one particular song which everybody thinks is very soothing and healing, what comes, and if you could sing a line for us.
Now it just depends which age group you're talking to.
It could be for everyone. I'm sure whatever your thought.
It's very varied because who's in the audience? I mean, it could be, Bigi Bigi Raaton mein, or it could be Bari Hu Main, or it could be Kabhi Tanhaiyon. it just depends what, you know, the older people want to hear older stuff. And
Which would be the song which comes to your mind if we specifically now we're looking at senior citizens and people above, beyond and above
I'm going
70?
to definitely do my own versions of your
Others,
of really old songs like Kabhi Tarahiyon Mein or Naam Gum Jayega. Meri awaaz hi pehchan. So it's a great song, and I've done a completely hip hop version of that. So it's so cool. At the same time, it has, you know, that they know the tune, and people who are not the older lot, I'm sure they will enjoy it. So I'm trying to keep them all together and kind of make a big mix out of it. Probably Veena and Anjali will sing backing vocals.
Sure.
No, they have to dance, right?
Yeah.
Alzheimer's patients.
Okay.
They're dancing. I remember my mother, she was like a child, they go into their childhood, right? So they're dancing and they're just enjoying themselves basically. Whatever space they are in.
No, sorry,
What happens with memory is that people suffering from Alzheimer's forget what has happened recently. They remember old stuff. So things which have happened in the past is something they remember. So that is what we are actually planning to help them to revive.
So are we still going to have the playlist or we have input from Kalaji and Leslie all sitting together? Veena, how is it?
There will be a rehearsal. They'll all sit down and we make a whole list of songs, of course. So it'll be a 1.5 hour performance by everybody. Jugalbandis, solos, and then, you know, jamming as and when they feel, you know.
And there are two sides to music. One is like what we are talking, which is the old songs that make you feel, oh, I know this. And there is, I think, you know, if music connects to your soul at any level.
Yes.
So even if they hear other stuff that they've never heard, but they like it, that probably brings a smile. So you know, the mix is going to be some of the really old stuff, and then some of the maybe slightly newer for some of the old, you know, people in the crowd. And I think that as long as it's musical, I think that's what will connect with people.
I think we still haven't heard enough of you. So one line, if you could have, you know, for the audience, that'd be nice.
What should I say?
Bhigi,
भीगी रातों में मीठी मीठी बातों में ऐसे बरसात में कैसा लगता है, ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके घटा अपने सजन को भिगो के खेल रही हो, बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे सीने से लगा लूं आ छुपा लूं ओ बरखा से बचा लूं तुझे सीने से लगा लूं आ छुपा लूं ओ दिल ने पुकारा देखो रुत का इशारा देखो ये नजारा देखो कैसा लगता है।
Thank you so much. Just have a quick.
Yeah.
Put this curtain up.
ठीक है, we'll just go on casually.
No, he's saying I want a standing. I don't know.
So which song you want to sing?
I don't know.
So balance.
Let's love to sing. I just start singing when I'm not supposed to sing also.
Don't make the family to come and, you know, just come and be part of it.
This
Like
time-
Children's Day, Valentine's Day.
So she's going to sing.
Who, me?
Why not?
You tell the other not to come.
Why not? I'm going to sing.
No, I don't know. Ask me about everyone being used to.
Anyway.
It's like, she can be good. I'll sing this.
You see this?
I'll sing it. I love
Yeah.
to sing. Over here we have music.
But it's not just.
Yeah, that's so fun.
How many patients do you have?
We have a group of 8 to 10 at least. Because the place
So
is
whatever group, you know,
Yeah. So who teaches you otherwise?
whoever wants to.
whoever wants, we have yoga.
You know, this, right now, more